Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bobo's daughter, and today I have a lovely tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to make this Chanel inspired chain belt. So on my Instagram, I asked a lot of you guys if you wanted to see the Rihanna Cardi B chain drip belt, and you guys said yes, but in that photo, this belt was also pictured. So I'm gonna make it a two-part series. I'm gonna have another video with this same theme, and I'm gonna show you how to make the actual chain drip belt. So let's get into this. So for this tutorial, you're gonna need ribbon. I'm using black ribbon, gold jump rings, a gold lobster claw, 4 inches of small chain, super glue or hot glue gun, either or, scissors, thick gold chain that can fit around your waist a few times, and pliers. I only have one pictured here, but you're gonna need two sets, two pliers. So let's get started. Take the chain, and you're gonna measure your waist and about how high you wanna wear it up. You wanna mark this off. So you want it to be comfortably around your waist. You don't want it to be too snug, or else it won't fit. I put my lobster clasp where I wanted to mark off the chain. So basically all I'm gonna do is hold where the mark is, and I'm gonna look for the opening of the link right here, and I'm gonna take my pliers or whatever tool you have to open them, and you're just going to grab each side and twist, and you want to unhook. So you're going to take one end of your chain, you're going to take the smaller chain, and you're going to take a jump ring. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to grab each side, and as you grab, you're going to kind of like twist one side away from you and one to you, and then you're going to loop on the chain on one end, then hook the big chain on. Excuse me. Then you want to grab each end and just twist it back. So then you're going to take the other end of the chain. You are going to take another jump ring. You're going to do the same thing. And now we are going to put the lobster claw through, and then hook the other end. You're going to hook that on, and you're going to twist it back. You already have a belt. So I'm putting the chain belt on. And so we got the chain belt on, and we've got it positioned. So we want 2 chains to dangle from like the front of us down. So I'm just going to take my 2 extra lobster claws that I had. I'm going to mark about where I want the dangle to come from. So probably like from right here to like right here. So now that I took my chain belt off, I have the two links that are like markers of where I'm gonna take my remaining chain, and I'm gonna measure that. So, or actually, I'm gonna just count the links. So to make that dangle, I'm gonna up it by 2 links each. So I'm gonna trim off of this chain 30 links. So I'm gonna take that, take my pliers, I'm gonna open it up. So here I have my 30 link chain, and I'm gonna take another piece of chain off, and it's gonna be 32. I'm gonna go ahead right now and put jump rings on each end of these chains. So I'm gonna do that now. Have your chain all measured out. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to feed the black ribbon through the chain one by one. So all you're going to do with all your chain is take the ribbon and start weaving it in and out. One by one. So once you feeded it through, you're gonna straighten the chain out. So go back and straighten the chain links out as best as you can. So once you get to the end, you're gonna add some glue and tie it in a knot. So I'm just going to repeat the process off camera. You want to make sure your attachments have the jump rings on the end of each of them. What we're going to do is we're just going to lay the belt out. The little areas that we marked, we are going to hook the pieces on. So, well, I'm not gonna hook, but I'm gonna use the jump ring. So I have my 2 attachment pieces laid out, and you want to do the shortest one first. So this is the shorter one. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to open up the jump ring, take the link where it's marked, and put that through. Once I've got it, I just secure it back. Now I can unhook the lobster clasp because I've got it in the right place. And so I'm just going to repeat this on the other side. So where it's hooked, that last link, you want to hook the longer piece on and close it. So like I said, you want to take the jump ring and you want to hook it onto the last. So this chain right here, you want to hook it onto its last link. Not the jump ring, its last link. So you take this and you hook this on and you close it. That is how you hook your boat. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like your belt and like this tutorial, and make sure you follow me on all social media at Bobo's Daughter. There I have links to the jewelry I sell. I have updates about new videos, and I'm planning a giveaway, so stay connected. And I just like to say thanks to everyone for viewing this video. So I just want to show you guys the belt with it on. This is what it looks like on my waist. So I just have it paired with a black bodysuit and some black leggings.